Most people think creating AI videos is complicated. Too many buttons, too many settings. But what if I told you it's actually simple, and you could start making cinematic clips today with just a few clicks? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Welcome to NextGen AI Lab, the place where I break down the smartest AI tools so you can create, work smarter, and stay ahead of the curve. If you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss the step-by-step guides I've got coming your way. Now let's jump straight into Runway, and I'll show you how to turn a single image into a video that looks like it came out of a movie. All right, before we do anything cool, let's get you into the website. So just open up your browser, and in the address bar, type this in, runwayml.com. That's runwayml.com. Once the page loads, hit that big Get Start button at the top right. If you already have a Google account, you can just sign in with one click, super fast, and boom, you're in. Welcome to the Runway dashboard. Now don't let all the buttons scare you. We're going to take it slow. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, and you'll be generating your first AI video in just a minute. All right, once you're inside Runway, things might look a little busy at first, but don't worry. You're mostly going to use just two things: generate image, generate videos. Let's start with images. Click Generate Image, and you'll see a chat box pop up. Think of this like texting an AI artist. You just type what you want to see. For example, let's go with something fun. A dog wearing sunglasses sitting at a beach cafe during sunset. Yeah, why not? Before you hit generate, you can tweak a few settings. Aspect ratio, like 3:4 or 16:9, depending on your needs. Number of images to export at a time. Image quality, go ahead and set it to 1080p. And how many images you want. For now, let's just do one. Then hit generate, and bam, you've got a unicorn cruising in style. First, make sure you're in video mode, not image. Then click Select Asset and upload the photo you want to animate. I'm using this one, a dog chilling at a beach cafe. Total vacation vibes. Now in the prompt box, just describe what you want the video to do. Something simple like, the dog lifts its head slightly and the ocean waves move behind it. No need to overthink it, just write what you'd see in a short film. Then choose your settings. Length. Start with 5 seconds. Aspect ratio. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok. Hit generate and give it a moment. In under 2 minutes, your still image becomes a cinematic clip. With motion, lighting, camera moves. It's pretty wild what AI can do. And that's it. One simple photo, turned into a cinematic video in minutes. Imagine what you could create if you keep experimenting with this tool. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you never miss my next AI tutorial. And if you're ready to keep exploring, check out the next video right here. It's going to blow your mind